list of mantra with benefit. It is difficult because there are thousands of medicines and thousands of ailments. If you ask me, I have to give you a Sims to you, a list of medicines and what is indicated for it. If there is a reference given to a doctor, if you go to a doctor and give me a list of medicines and its ailments, it's difficult. If there is a specific purpose you tell me, I can give you a mantra. No problem. That's the right way of approaching it. Because there are thousands of mantras and thousands of difficulties we have. This is not possible literally to give a list of mantras. Because, it is known that mentioned. There is called Mantra Mahodadi, Mantra Maharanama, books are there. Even I have not gone through all the mantras. It's a big treasure. Nobody knows how many mantras are there. Even for same condition or same kind of benefit, there will be 100 mantras.
Maybe for students, I was thinking, for balas and vidyarthis basically. So, any specific mantras for balas or students to chant, that would be helpful for them.
Wonderful. See, what I do is, this cannot be straight away. First, I should see whether they are interested. See, you have to sow a seed in a fertile land. Right? The seed may be very good. Unless I have a fertile land, fertile earth, it will not be benefited. That's why the giving of mantras restricted. To see whether the proper mantra is given to a proper... See, I can't make a coffee grow in Bangalore, whereas in Coorg it is grown. What is grown in US, I cannot grow here. So, the seed, the mantra is a seed, which needs a proper place to be sown and nourished. Then only it becomes. Mantra is seed. That's why it's called bija in Sanskrit. Mantra has bijas. Namaste Guruji, do we have any mantra for improving our eyes? Yes. There are so many to improve sight. Definitely. There are mantras. Many mantras are there. And even to tell you, simple mantra I can right now tell you. Right now. Because sight, light is represented by sun. Sun and moon are eyes. Any sun mantra, Surya mantra, can improve our sight. If you select a stotra, you can select Aditya Hridaya chanting. If you want mantra, a Surya mantra available to you, you can chant. Even if you want Japa Kusuma Sankasham also can help you. Even if you want a better mantra for that, you can practice here. You have other mantra called Om Ram Rim Ram Saha Adityaya Namaha. These mantras, I have given you 2-3 mantras now. Choose anything you want. Japa Kusuma Sankasham is a mantra which is mentioned in Purana. Aditya Hridaya is from Vedas. And what I showed, Ram, Rim, Rum, Ram, Saha, Adityaya Namaha is from Tantra Shastra. Choose anything you want. This is for improving eyesight. Right now it comes to me.
Why is God not helping with COVID?
Why?
Why God is not helping with COVID?
Oh,
So
great.
she keeps telling, I keep
Wonderful.
praying God every
The
day
wonderful,
for
madam.
COVID to go
What a
away.
wonderful question. First of all, I told you, the God, you don't personify it first. The first problem we have is, from the childhood, we are made to personify in our form the God. That's the first mistake we have been doing. God has no personality or a figure like, image like us. It's an energy. It's an energy. And let me tell you, my dear, we have wanted to create an image for the energy in our form. We created Devi in a feminine form. Just I tell you incident, something. If we are intellects, suppose at the intellect level of a dog, if it can imagine some divinity, it would have created the God in its form. Definitely. We don't know, it would have created already. Human beings have created the images of God. but it is just energy. Okay, why COVID is not going? It is a matter not with you and me. It is the problem with the Brahmanda, universe, that is affected. That is affected for various reasons. Okay, that is affecting us. There is treatment required for Brahmanda now. Not the Pindanda, not the individual. The treatment is required for the universal conscious energy, which is polluted. Not polluted by environment, polluted by our thoughts. I talk some other time what thoughts can do. Much larger masses are there in the universe. So we have been creating a lot of pollution. Thought pollution also is there. That even, you know that corona is also a virus. It is a living organism. But only difficulty is, wonderful, as I understand from the medical fraternity, it is like an egg. It is not live. That egg, if it connects to life only, it opens up and becomes life. So there is a life, my dear, like you and me. That life has become here and somebody also produced it, left in the, what should happen? So how God can come to your rescue on that? Come on. Of course, one thing is definite. There are mantras. Very much. And I have done it also. There are mantras which help you, protect you from corona. From any such, yes, definitely, no doubt in it. Okay? There are mantras which can help you protect yourself from corona, which I can give you. And I give an example to make you understand and accept and have trust in me. I am 75 years plus, having a serious lungs problem. The medical fraternity says I have only 25% of lungs functioning. Okay? How much? 25% of my lungs functioning. I am talking to you. I can't sleep. If you look my sleep analysis, I slept only 1 hour 40 minutes in the night. Yesterday night. And I had, in October, viral pneumonia. What's that? The viral pneumonia, which will kill the person. Even the youngsters, energetic people are killed. And I'm living today in front of you. This is how you can protect yourself. But if you create a thought all over the world tomorrow with mantras, everybody should do it. That can take out the world, corona, no doubt in it. Because what is created impurity, you clean it, it will go away. But a temporary solution is, we can protect ourselves from its attack. 200% is possible. There are so many mantras available to you. One is Indrakshi Stotra. It's a stotra, not a mantra. It will be wonderful for you. Or Rogana Seshana, one sloka from Sapta Shloki. 101 mantras I can give you, which can protect you. This is limited to that. Okay? The global thing, globally something has to be done. If a lot of people tomorrow, all 16 millions or at least 50% of them come together, decide to do something, cleaning that pollution, corona will go. I assure you. Is it possible to do it? We can do it. At least 50% of the total population can chant some mantra together at same time throughout the globe. Corona will go. By chanting that I can protect it, then naturally it should also happen. Somebody should try it. If they really wanted a scientific evidence, they can do it. Why not?